So guys, today I'm going to be taking you along my home and I will be showing you the progress around. It's a very good moment to see everyone here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So stay tuned. So we are going to do a lot. As you can see that man there standing. So I was bargaining with him to do for me some work.
So guys,
and
we
really
are
it has been
done.
so good. So
Hi guys,
I didn't show you
how are
the
you doing?
process
Hope
of
you're
covering
doing good. Welcome to my
our
channel.
sand.
So there is one subscriber who said, you know what, Priscilla, get the baby at the back then start doing content, and that's what I'm doing. And yeah, we are organizing. Since it's a rainy season, it's becoming so bad. You can see all the sand was down, so we had to
you can see the situation around my home.
So
the sand was all getting down, being taken by water.
So we are going to work on this one as well so that water can slope. So these are the landmarks.
So that's the backyard of my home.
Those are the landmarks.
We are going to work on it. So stay tuned, you'll see the progress, how it will turn out, and hope you guys will like it. Yeah, because a lot of water is not going and it is affecting my house. So those are the landmarks, you guys, as you can see. And yeah, I'm so grateful. You guys, I'm glowing. So my neighbors are throwing dirty things there, but we will clean that place. Don't worry, we are here to transform that place. So it was a very nice day. Excuse my voice. It was a very nice day, and I really thank God that at least I tried my level best to see that at least I do something about my home. So a lot of running water was affecting my place because a lot of sand was being taken by running water. So I fixed that one. I had to get some matundubali, how do they call them in English? Those covers, I don't know how they call them in English. So I covered the sand so I can be safe.
So it was a little bit of introduction about my video.
Away.
Hi guys,
Like the way
how
you're
are you doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Priscilla. But this is the very first time to come across my channel, come across my video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So I have my baby at the back, and yeah, I can't be sitting all the time. So since I'm healing right now, I think we are some months. Yes. I think I have to get up and start doing what I have to do. So in the last videos, you used to see me so creative, so energetic, you know. But right now, I had to first rest, then maybe I can start from where I stopped. To stand on my feet and do something. Maybe by the help of someone who is not going to charge me a lot of money, to help me out, look after my home, take care after my home, because now the sand was being taken by water, and remember I have to use that sand when the right time comes. Yeah, a lot has to be happening. So guys, stay tuned on my channel. You will be seeing some progress in my house, in my home. So dates, I don't know, it's a morning, and yeah, I have to see what I have to do around my home. So that is done. So I'm going to be showing you another thing whereby we have a lot of running water here. So you have to try your level best to see that you create a way where water can pass. So I'm going to be showing you. So there are small flowers that I planted, but they are being affected by water, so they can't grow well. So you have to make sure that I get away where water will be passing, not to come to my area, not until I plant this grass that can stop water. Okay, so that's what I'm planning to do, and that is what this man is going to be helping me, and I'm going to be giving him 30,000, yeah, for the work he will be doing. So yeah, at least that is not a lot of money. Yeah, it's not a lot of money, and he's so energetic, by the way. So I think you guys have seen him. So let's go. Have hair. So it's what I'm gonna do. But it's cold. It's cold. I have to get for him some jumpers and some caps to cover his head, not to get cold, because seriously, it's a rainy season and I'm going to be so busy. So busy. I have to do planting, a lot of things. So guys, come along with me. Let me take you outside and see what it's gonna do.
So guys, the guy had already dug the way for water, and you guys, let me show you something. So those plants are for 2 years, you can't imagine, and they were all being affected by the rain. So a lot of running water was passing through those small plants, so they couldn't get the strength of growing up. So after that, we had to go and transform my backyard. It really turned out so nice. So that man helped me a lot. As I told you, he helped me, and as just for only 30,000 Ugandan shillings. Yeah, it's minimum. Yeah, it's not a very big price, and I really love that transformation. He knows how to dig. Oh my God, he knows how to dig. So we had to create a way where water can pass, not to get stagnant over there, because it was going to break my house. It was going to break my house. And I'm so happy that you guys are supporting me, are supporting my channel. And today is a Sunday. I decided to drop this. So out of the blue, it started raining, and they had to record some few clips of running water. You can see it's a lot from my neighbor. It's a lot. So I really don't know how I will handle that water thing. But I just pray God to give me the strength. But I think at least now, I've created a way where water can pass, not to go down in my house. So the man continued after it rained, and yeah, we had to continue working on our, how do they call it, on our trench. Yeah, something like that. So the trench was being dug, and it really turned out so nice. This is what we are doing, and really this man has done a very good job. I love it. So has done a very good job, very good one. And yeah, we are good to go. So I have all these, main, the wheelbarrow and the spade. Haha, no manye byakora. Eje mfuke kuombekia nwenzi yona. Nangwa nibo bagisisire. Bazitabuzo musenyi buri. So I look good nakawere. Okay. Hi guys. We have visitors from my neighbor. My son is enjoying. So, how am I, guys? Anyway, I'm going to be taking you around my home, and hope you guys you will like it, right? So it was a busy day. So I begin with the veranda. So you can see here the veranda. This is the electricity. So the kids are from my neighbor. So what I had to do, I had to put here something that will really take the water away. And yeah, that is my window. A lot of dust over there, so I have to clean. So guys, I'm going to be showing you this side. He also created the same, yeah. So let me take you and he show you guys. You can see the backyard of my house. So that is what we did today. So again, we covered the sand with some plastic covers. Yeah, that's what I'm going to call them, amatundubali. So those are my son's clothes. So water was coming. I was getting stagnant here, so I had to do something about the water. And you guys, you can tell on the last vlog. I think in the last videos of mine, I used to work here by myself, but since now I can't. That's the truth. Now I can't. I just got someone to help me out, and I'm really grateful to God. I'm so happy that water is going to be passing here to go where it wants to go. Yeah, so a lot is going to be happening, guys, at my home, my visitors. So the working tools are still there, though I didn't do much. So I think now my flowers will grow because they were being disturbed by rain, and now I think they will be growing. So this is the progress around my home. So we had to do something about the water that was attacking my plants. Wow, they really look good. That's it. So again, we covered the sand with some plastic covers. Yeah, that's what I'm going to call them, amatundubali. So those are my son's clothes. So water was coming. I was getting stagnant here, so I had to do something about the water. And you guys, you can tell on the last vlog. I think in the last videos of mine, I used to work here by myself, but since now I can't. That's the truth. Now I can't. I just got someone to help me out, and I'm really grateful to God. I'm so happy that water is going to be passing here to go where it wants to go. Yeah, so a lot is going to be happening, guys, at my home, my visitors. So the working tools are still there, my gum boots and other. So I think now my flowers will grow because they were being disturbed by rain, and now I think they will be growing. So this is the progress around my home. So we had to do something about the water that was attacking my plants. There I had to go with my visitors so I can harvest the sugarcane, and I give them some sugarcane to take home and enjoy. Yeah, I love sugarcane so much, but at least I'm able to share with my neighbors. Yeah, you know, kids love sugarcane. Kids love sweet things. They were so happy.